Om Arunachala Shiva. Welcome to Arunachala Musings. Chittakala hi ye Antastu dvayakalascha ye bahihi kalpita eva te sarve vishesho nanya hetukaha. Chittakala hi ye Antastu dvayakalascha ye bahihi kalpita eva te sarve vishesho nanya hetukaha. This Karika from Mandukya Karika says that the objects that are thought of in the mind, they are within the mind, that is, they are internal, and their duration is that of the thought only. That is, they long as they are thought of. When a person thinks of anything, any human or any object in the mind, that person or the object thought of remains in the mind for the duration for which the thought persists. That is Chittakalaha, the duration of the time when the thought is entertained in the mind. So for the objects thought in the mind, whether conscious being or any other inert object thought of, that internal thought has the duration within the mind only. That is Chittakala hi Antastu. This we can pretty much understand because everybody thinks and imagines things. Even the dream that everybody experiences in the night, everything that is happening in the mind is seen as an external dream, but the person is quietly sleeping on his bed. So the entire creation of the dream and entire phenomenal happenings of the dream world are Chittakalaha, that is the duration of the mind and internal to the mind. This is experienced by every human being. Now, based on this experience, the Karika logically postulates a very bold statement. It says that just like the internal objects that are thought of are of the duration within the mind, dvayakalascha bahi, those that are perceived in the outside, that is the sense of perception, eyes sees objects, ear hears the sound, then skin experiences the touch, tongue tastes the various tastes, objects, various food items, etc. So these sense of perception and the sense world perceived, and it has also a duration that is termed as dvayakalascha ye bahi, that is external, the waking world that is experienced as the external to the conscious being, that has also duration. So just like in the dream, the conscious experiencer is experiencing external objects and the phenomena. Similarly, in the waking state, the conscious being is experiencing himself and the world external to him. In both the cases, it is only the experience, and as an experience it is same in the dream and waking. So based on that same criteria, just as dream is unreal, the waking state is also unreal. That is the supreme bold assertion by this Karika. Kalpita evate sarve, that is the Karika also mentions that they just as in the morning waking up we realize that the entire dream world and the dream experiencer, everything was unreal, it was just imagined by the mind. Similarly, kalpita evate sarve, even the waking world and the waking experience is imagined. Kalpita is just a thought. So the entire life is just a dream, just a thought. This is the highest philosophical position taken by Advaita Vedanta, which says that our entire life and entire life of every conscious being and the whole world is just a thought not of a particular individual or one conscious being, but the cosmic mind. And realization of this cosmic being, this real nature of everyone, the infinite pure consciousness, bliss, self, the Brahman, is the goal of human birth. Om Tat Sat.